Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is DeegeeChef from the stables. Today we do a showstopper of a dish that's going to be the star on your table. Simple, quick, and exotic. So let's get on with this. It's winter and the cauliflowers in the farm are in absolute abundance. In a deep pan, add enough water to cover the cauliflower. I used 1.5 liters. Trim the leaves and create a flat base for the cauliflower to sit well on the plate. In the cold water, add 2 teaspoons turmeric, 2 teaspoons black peppercorn, salt to taste, a pinch of saffron, bay leaves, and half a cup of chopped onions. Bring this to a boil. In the warm hot water, add the whole cauliflower upside down. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. We must not overcook as we want it crisp and yet done. For the sauce, let's take 1.5 cup of Greek yogurt or hung yogurt. To this, let's add half a cup grated cheese. I used cheddar, 2 teaspoons chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon sumac. Sumac is a wide reddish purple Mediterranean spice, used widely for its tangy, crusty and mild sour flavor. This is where simple becomes exotic and elegant. Mix well, add half teaspoon of honey, zest of a lemon and salt to taste. Mix it well and keep it in the refrigerator to chill. We now remove the cauliflower and you can smell the goodness of all the spices from the stock. Place some olive oil and bake this at 180 degrees for about 8 minutes till you get a good brown crust. Now for the final flourish. Spread the cold yogurt sauce on a plate. Place the grilled cauliflower on the sauce. Sprinkle some sumac and olive oil. Garnish with a sprig of parsley and coriander with some cherry tomatoes. This is the showstopper, guys. A must try. It will never disappoint you, and I can guarantee that. Do let us know how it went. Cheers and see you soon.